On the second day of his visit to the United Kingdom, Maulana Hazir Imam spent most of the day at the Ismaili Centre in London. There, he lovingly met with young members of the Jamaat in 2 youth mulaqats held in the Darkhana prayer hall. Later, Maulana Hazir Imam returned to the centre to meet Jamaati leaders at an institutional reception. He thanked them and their families for the dedicated service to the Jamaat and to society. Throughout the day, the Ismaili Centre was full of activity, with volunteers working tirelessly to make sure all events were well organized and successful. Tomorrow, Maulana Hazir Imam will bless the Jamaats of the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the Channel Islands with his Deedar. This UK visit is especially meaningful because Maulana Hazir Imam will remain in the United Kingdom for 5 days. These days are a blessing for the UK Jamaat, filled with spiritual opportunities and moments that will be cherished for a lifetime. The presence of the Imam brings peace to hearts and strengthens the bond between the Imam and his murids. One of the greatest blessings of this visit is that Maulana Hazir Imam will grace the Jamaats of the United Kingdom, Ireland, and the Channel Islands with his Deedar. Deedar is a moment of deep spiritual connection where words are not needed and hearts speak directly. It renews faith, brings calmness to the soul, and fills lives with hope and strength. For the UK Jamaat, this is truly a blessed time. These are days of reflection, gratitude, and spiritual growth. The visit reminds us of the values taught by Maulana Hazir Imam: love, service, unity, humility, and care for humanity. His guidance continues to inspire individuals and communities to live with purpose and integrity. As the Jamaat prepares for Deedar and other moments during this visit, there is a shared feeling of happiness, respect, and devotion. Families, youth, elders, and volunteers all come together, united by love for their Imam. This unity itself is a reflection of the spiritual strength of the community. May these blessed days leave a lasting impact on the hearts of the UK Jamaat. May the love and guidance of Maulana Hazir Imam Shah Rahim continue to bring inner peace, spiritual strength, and clarity to our lives. This visit will be remembered as a time of blessings, mercy, and renewed connection with our beloved Imam.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.